Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is find the volume of solid generated when the area enclosed between parabola y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to x is revolved about x axis. Now y is equal to x square is upward parabola and y is equal to x is line passing through origin. Now let us draw rough diagram. Parabola y is equal to x square, upward parabola, line y is equal to x. And area enclosed between parabola and line is this area, shaded area, and this area is revolved about x-axis. Now hollow cone like will be formed and its inner side is curved, right? Then we have to find volume of that part. Now volume of solid generated when area is revolved about x-axis, formula is pi integral a to b. Now here two curves are there, one line and one straight line. Therefore y1 square minus y2 square dx. Integral pi a to b integral a to b y1 square minus y2 square dx multiplied by pi is here. Now we have to find volume. To find volume we need these limits, right? And we have to express equations of curves y square as a function of x form. Now limit is of x and x varies this is origin and x varies from this point to this point, means we need to find this point of intersection. Therefore let us find points of intersection. Now to find points of intersection we are using substitution method. First equation is y is equal to x square and second equation is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x square, y is equal to x. Equating we get x square is equal to x. Now if we take this x to this side, then x square minus x, 0 will be remain here, right? Now if we can take x as a common. If we take x common, what will remain in bracket? 1x is taken as a common, 1x will remain. This x is taken as a common, 1 will remain, is equal to 0. Now product of these two terms is 0, means either first term is equal to 0 or second term is equal to 0, means either x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. If we take this 1 here, it will be plus 0 plus 1 is plus 1, therefore x is equal to 1. Now when x is 0, y is x square and x is 0, 0 square is 0, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore first point of intersection is 0, 0. Now when x is 1, y is equal to 1 square is 1, means when x is 1, y is also 1, means second point of intersection is 1, 1. First point of intersection 0, 0 and second point of intersection 1 1, 0 0 and 1 1, means this point is 1 0, x is 1 and this point lies on x axis, therefore y coordinate 0. Therefore limit of x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Now we have to express y square is as a function of x. Now first equation is y is equal to x, let this be y1, therefore y1 is equal to x, that is y1 square is equal to x square. Second equation is y is equal to x square, equation of parabola y is equal to x square, let this be y2, that is y2 is equal to x square, therefore y2 square is equal to x square square. y2 is x square and square of this is equal to x raised to 4. Now let us put this in formula. Volume of solid generated when area is revolved about x axis, pi integral 0 to 1 y1 square is x square minus y2 square is x raised to 4 dx. Here we have to put all the values. Pi limit is from 0 to 1, y1 square is x square and y2 square is x raised to 4 dx. That is pi. Now integrating x square. Now this is in the form x raised to n, and integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. N is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore integral x cube upon 3 minus again x raised to n from n is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, x raised to 5 upon 5. Limit is from 0 to 1 using integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 c. Now need not to add c here since this is definite integral, is equal to. Now let us put limit. Upper limit first. Upper limit x is 1, 1 cube is 1 divided by this 3. X is 1, 1 raised to 5 is 1 upon 5. This is upper limit minus x is equal to 0, therefore both terms 0 is equal to pi 5 cross multiplication, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 into 5 is 15 is equal to 2 pi upon 15. Since this is volume, therefore cubic units. When this area is revolved about x-axis, volume 2 pi upon 15 cubic units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.